The CEO of Shiba Inu is planning to send Shiba to $10 overnight very soon. Shiba updates. It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. The biggest percentage drop this year has coincided with an uptick in volatility in the Shiba Inu price. Traders can use technical indicators and classical price action approaches to forecast a bullish or bearish scenario with this study. The price of Shiba Inu saw its worst red day of the year, with an 11% drop on the digital meme coin. The approaching price action of the token is determined by its proximity to a previously established trend line. The market can fall even farther if the bulls don't bolster the present level of support. The CEO of Shiba Inu is planning to send Shiba to $10 overnight, and we'll discuss this in the video. Shiba updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. The current price of a Shiba Inu is $0.0000122134. The daily simple moving average is 21 days old, and the bears are trying to form a candlestick close below it. If this works, it will be the first indication that the general upward trend that started in the final week of December has come to a stop. Never say never, the uptrend could very well go on. With a bullish divergence from the last consolidation zone near $0.00001050, the current price is returning to levels of support according to the Relative Strength Index RSI. So in the big scheme of things, the current dip could be seen as a chance to purchase. The entire upswing is vulnerable to liquidation if the RSI falls below the 40 levels. The August high at $0.00001800 is the next important target for bulls. If reached, this level would lead to a 46% increase over the present market value of SK. Ironically, bears who bought near the present swing high of $0.00001575 will probably start adding to their positions if the RSI falls below 40. The outcome might be a stampede of sellers aiming for the $0.000018. A crypto venture capital firm has gone on a multi-million-dollar buying binge, acquiring billions of Shiba Inu tokens. The SK holdings of Jump Trading, a trading firm located in Chicago, have increased dramatically from $250,000 on February 4 to just over $130.7 billion, according to new data from the blockchain search engine Etherscan. Jump Trading, renowned as one of the smallest hedge funds, currently owns approximately $1.7 million worth of Shiba after acquiring the meme token with a dog motif. The most recent financial report indicates that the platform is responsible for managing assets totaling approximately $150 million. The research does note, however, that Jump Trading might have more assets than what is publicly known, including cash and real estate, which could make its portfolio even bigger than what is revealed. Shiba Inu's price drop coincides with the hedge fund's buying binge. From its 7-day high of $0.000's coin price of $0.000 the Dogecoin competitor has dropped around 4% in the last 24 hours. After becoming the second largest altcoin holding among Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu has recently been the focus of increased whale activity in 2023, according to crypto analytics site Santiment. Santiment reports that the top 5,000 Ethereum holders currently own a combined total of 50 million Shiba, valued at somewhat more than $735 million. At what pace is the total quantity of Shiba tokens being depleted? That's the Shiba Inu burn rate. Token burn does this by sending some tokens to a public address that does not have the private key. This decreases the total supply and takes the tokens out of circulation. The original plan for the distribution of Shiba tokens was to have them function like a limited edition stock. In order to prevent the token's inflation, the project's creators burnt half of the token supply and stored the other half. The burn rate of Shiba has dropped dramatically in the last several months, according to statistics from Glassnode. Compared to December 2021, when it was above 8%, the rate in January 2023 was just 3%. A number of variables such as the massive sale of Shiba tokens and the unlocking of additional tokens from the locked supply have probably contributed to this decline in the burn rate. In the past day, the Shiba burn rate has dropped from about 20 million tokens burned to just over 205,000, a 99.13% decrease. This is in accordance with the results of the Shiba burn. In spite of this drop, the burn rate's overall performance relative to the Shiba price is still poor. Many factors can be causing traders to lose interest in Shiba. Since token values have recently fallen from their all-time highs due to a sell-off, this is one of the primary causes. Because of this, some traders may have decided to take their money and run. Rising levels of competitiveness in the DeFi market also have a role. A plethora of new DeFi projects, each with its own token, have emerged in the past few months. Because of this heightened level of competition, people may stop paying attention to Shiba and other initiatives. Last but not least, Shiba's business model's viability may worry certain traders. A percentage of the locked supply of tokens will be used to support future development, according to the project's founders. The project's ability to make money and keep growing in the long run is a matter of concern, though. Shiba Inu tokens can be burned to reduce their supply and thereby raise their value. The level of burning required to achieve the 0.001 price, though, presents a formidable obstacle. To reach a price of 0.001, the token supply needs to be reduced to 5.8 trillion from the current 549.1 trillion. The market cap for Shiba Inu is 5.81 billion USD. According to Shib Queenie, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord, the potential yearly burnout of Shiba Swap and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution might reach 88.8 trillion Shib tokens. According to this forecast, we should be able to achieve our target price in about 6 years. Nevertheless, accomplishing this objective might not be as simple as it appears. Attempts to destroy 90% of Shib tokens are impractical, according to Shiba Inu's lead developer Archangel. To get to 0.001, you'd have to burn through virtually all of the tokens in circulation. Also, Ryoshi's vision, which isn't as valuable as Shib tokens, is used to pay out incentives for burning Shiba Inu tokens. The incentives for burning tokens to reduce their supply are called into question by this. The Shib token's future is unclear, even if its burn rate has recently decreased. Both the project's continued success and its eventual oblivion from the cryptocurrency scene are within the realm of possibility. The token's value might rise again if Shib's creators are able to overcome their current obstacles and keep inventing. Nevertheless, this will necessitate a substantial amount of work and a well-defined plan for the project's progression. In preparation for its release, whales have been accumulating bone. Because of this, the asset's value has been rising. The 101% increase in bone's worth since the start of the year has caused its value to more than double. Not long ago, Huobi updated its official digital asset page to include Bone Shiba Swap. A possible listing was also supported by the same. It was easy to see the trade and deposit buttons on the main page. Aside from that, there are sections that cover the project overview, token details, and relevant connections. Users are directed to the Bone page when they click on the deposit option. Nevertheless, it appeared to be idle and had no content. As a result, neither trading nor the exchange has formally acknowledged Bone's listing. For a long time now, the Shiba Inu army has been patiently waiting for Bone's listing. Midway through December of last year, the exchange posted a photo of a Shiba Inu dog decked out in crimson to celebrate the holiday spirit. Speculation about a possible Bone's listing quickly gained traction among those in the know. It appears that the exchange is definitely preparing for the same, as the most recent page has been launched. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.